Welcome to this tutorial where we'll create a simple chatbot that can converse on any topic, just like ChatGPT. We'll also add temporary memory so that the bot can remember previous messages, making the conversation flow more naturally. Let's begin. We're on the Flowise home screen. If you're not already there, go to Chat Flows and click Add New in the upper right corner to create a new flow. Once we're in the workspace, click the plus icon and under Chains, select Conversation Chain. Next, go back to the menu and select Chat AI under Chat Models. Connect the Chat Model field from the Conversation Chain node to the Chat AI node. In the Chat AI node, add your connection credentials, API key. This time, let's change the default model from GPT 3.5 Turbo to GPT 4.0 Mini for a more human-like conversation. Set the temperature to 0.7 for balanced responses. Next, we'll add a memory component so the bot can remember the conversation history. Go back to the menu and under Memory, select Buffer Memory. This will allow our chatbot to keep track of previous messages, improving the flow of the conversation. Let's test our flow. First, save the project by clicking the Save icon and name it something like Chat with Memory. Now let's open the chat window. If there's anything already in the chat box, clear it by clicking the red button to start fresh. Send the bot a message like hello and see how it responds as expected. Next, send "My name is Luca" to test the memory functionality. Wait for the response, and then ask, "What's my name?" You'll see that the bot successfully remembers your name, confirming that everything works as intended. And that's it. You've now created a chatbot that not only converses, but also remembers details from your chat history, just like a real conversation.